This is some turkey wings, fresh turkey wings that I already washed, soaked down with vinegar, lemon and salt, and now I'm going to season it up with, I have some whole oregano, lemon pepper, sage, free salt seasoning, chopped onions, I have some ground cinnamon, parsley leaf, complete seasoning, black pepper, and some chili powder, okay, along with some salt. Okay, so here's the salt. Sorry about that, you didn't see it. Complete seasoning. This is some flakes. The cinnamon is optional. Okay, I have some pepper flakes. Onion flakes. I'm sorry, mistake I made, meant to be made. Okay, I have some sage, lemon pepper. Okay, and always remember, it depends on how much meat you're gonna be using. Everything must be according to your like and taste. Okay, black pepper. Okay, I just add the salt-free seasoning, and I'm adding the chili powder. Okay, and some oil, and oil of your choice, and make sure that my hands are clean, and I'm going to use my hands, and I'm going to rub this dry seasoning thoroughly into this. So this is it. I'm going to cover this down and put it in the fridge to marinate until next day. Okay, stay tuned. After marinating this turkey wings for one day, now I'm going to prepare it. And as you can see, this turkey wing cut small. I choose to cut it up small. Okay, I have 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of flour into this bowl, which I would mix. Okay, along with some, I have honey, ketchup, I have some original barbecue sauce, I have some teriyaki sauce, and some sweet and sour sauce. Okay, all these will be using to make this barbecue chicken turkey wing. Oops, sorry again. So I just show you guys everything that I will be using, along with some soy sauce to give it a little darker color, along with some sugar. Okay, so I'm going to add the sugar into the mixture. Okay, and then I'm going to pour it over into a bigger bowl and mix everything together. All right, now you can use chicken stock. I don't have that, so some water I be using. All right, what I forget to say, I'm not going to use this. I'm going to pour this into the pan. I'm going to mix all of these, combine everything together. Okay, so align this pan with some file paper, and then spread the liquid. Okay, I don't want too much of the liquid. And then I'm going to place the turkey wing one at a time. Okay, stay tuned. So I'm going to start placing the one at a time into the baking pan. Okay. So this is it after placing it into the baking pan. So what I'm going to do now is place this into the oven for half an hour, and then I'm going to turn it, and then I'm going to start basting it with the ingredients that I showed to you, which is a barbecue sauce mixture. Stay tuned. I'm not going to cover this as we speak, not now, okay? 370 degree, this will be baking, as I said, the first half an hour, and then I'm going to start turning it until completely done, and baste it as we turn it. So I add the teriyaki sauce. This is a barbecue sauce, right? Ketchup. I will be giving you all the list and measurement. Sweet and sour. Okay. The honey. Okay, and I'm gonna mix it together, and as I mentioned, I'm gonna baste this, turn it and baste it as we go along. All right, stay tuned. So yes, I'm gonna start. I just took it out of the oven, and I'm gonna baste this. All right, and then when I finish basting this, I'm gonna turn it over and then put it into the oven again. And again, I'm mentioning that this is what I'm gonna continue doing until it's done. All right, I'm gonna bake this for 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours. So check it before I announce the finishing products. I want to make sure that it's well cooked. Okay, so I'm going to turn this over. All right, and then continue with the same process. Okay, so stay tuned when I finish turning it over. So I just turn it over, and I'm going to continue the same process, basting it with the barbecue sauce. All right, and then I'm going to put it right back into the oven until it's completely done. As I mentioned earlier in the video, every half an hour I'm going to turn it. Okay, so approximately like 2 hours, because I want the meat not be falling off the bone. All right, so now we're going to place it back into the oven the next half an hour. So this is it when it's finished. Okay, I will be listing all the ingredients in the description bar down below. Okay, thanks for watching.